how to customize iPhone your home screen. With iOS 14, there are new ways to find and organize the apps on your iPhone, so you see what you want, where you want. Learn how to use the app library and organize your home screen. From your home screen, swipe left until you see the app library. Your apps are automatically sorted into categories. For example, you might see your social media apps under a social category. The apps that you use most frequently will automatically reorder based on your usage. When you install new apps, they'll be added to your app library, but you can change where new apps get downloaded. Search for an app in the app library. Go to the app library. Tap the search field, then enter the app that you're looking for. Tap the app to open it. Delete an app from the app library. Go to the app library and tap the search field to open the list. Touch and hold the app icon, then tap delete app trash can icon. Tap delete again to confirm. Find and hide pages on your home screen with iOS 14. You can easily hide pages to streamline how your home screen looks and add them back anytime. Here's how. Touch and hold an empty area on your home screen. Tap the dots near the bottom of your screen. Tap the circle under the page that you want to hide. Tap Done. To unhide a page, repeat the steps above. Then use the app library to quickly find apps hidden on different pages. Move apps to the app library. Instead of hiding a page on your home screen, you can move individual apps from the home screen to the app library. Here's how. Touch and hold the app. Tap Remove App. Tap Move to App Library. Change where new apps get downloaded to change where new apps get downloaded on your iPhone, or to change the notifications you see in the app library. Go to Settings Home Screen. Select an option. Thanks for watching.